This is Zohari, and I'm Abigail. And now we're introducing you to the Slime 3 Ways Kit. And we're going to make 3 different kinds of slime, which are in this kit. The first one is the easiest one to make and the easiest one to clean up. So parents, if you're a little afraid about a mess at home and stuff like that, this is very easy. The worst thing you can do is if it falls on the floor, you just let it all dry and then clean it up with a broom. You let it dry, you don't even try to wipe it up when it's wet. Okay? So in your kit is shaving cream. You have white glue, Devek Lavan. You have Merakech Sa'ar, which is hair conditioner. You have one color of food color, and if you have more at home or you get the Science of Art kit or any of the others, you'll have more colors, the watercolor kit. You have some glitter here. 3 popsicle sticks to help you mix the different recipes for slime. Okay, this is your traditional slime. We'll go through each one. This is oobleck, which is just corn flour. So once you run out of this, parents, go buy corn flour and you can do it at home. You just need water. It's good to have any kind of slotted vegetable container or slotted spoon or something like that, and you'll find out why in just a minute. We have a little container of borax, and you really don't need a lot. You really just need a little bit. This is enough probably to make at least 3 different slimes. That's going to go over there. Okay. We have an eyedropper, some water, which you need to provide on your own, and some stars for our galaxy slime, which is going to be over here. That's going to be a clear slime, but we're going to have some sparkles added to that. So we'll start with the borax. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, not the borax. We're starting with oobleck. Okay. So the corn flour, you're going to pour in here. You don't even have to pour all of it. You can pour half of it. You can save some for later. Whatever you want. And pour half of it. Okay. Great. And now you're going to pour water, but just a little bit. And you're going to start mushing it up with your hands. All right? And mush it up. It feels really cool, right? And what's
so really like
oobleck is actually very cool. It is a special substance that when you put pressure on it, it is a solid. And when you let it go, when you mishacharer it, it becomes a liquid. So mix it up really well. Don't be afraid. So the cool thing about oobleck, let me just move it close to the camera so we can zoom up, is when you squeeze it, it gets hard. And when you let it go, it drips through your fingers like that. And it feels really cool. Okay? So you can play with it. You can also then store it in a container, a jar, a bag. And if it dries out, you just add more water. Should we try and add some food coloring to it? You want to try and add some color and see what happens?
Yeah.
Okay. Now watch this. Look at that. Now the color.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, mix it up. As you squeeze it, the color will come out of it. See, hold on, let's show everybody. Now if it's too runny, you can add more powder.
Yeah, more powder.
Okay? And you can scoop it off the bottom. And there you go. Watch it melt through your fingers. You can see it becomes very dry, so just don't be afraid to add a little more water.
So are we going to keep it? Like, what are we going to do with it?
Yeah, what are we going to do with it? Now that is the question. In your resource sheet that you're going to get with this kit, there is a bunch of ideas. I have a list of 10 things you can actually do with oobleck. You could just play with it forever, which is pretty fun. You could make a huge vat of it. Now watch this. Now when I let it go, it's like raining oobleck.
It's like feel like water.
Isn't that cool? It feels like rain. Right?
Yeah, really.
So that's oobleck. There's endless things to do with it.
I'm just trying.
Please take pictures and send me all your ideas of things you've come up with. And it's the easiest cleanup. Look at this. It's just corn flour. It rinses right off with water. And you, even if it gets on your floor, not a carpet, but if it gets on the ground or whatever hard floor, you just let it dry and then sweep it up with a broom. Okay, shall we move on to the next kind?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let's put this aside. So we have blue oobleck. You can also make different colors and then swirl them together.
Okay, what do I do now?
So you just scrape it off your hands, you see? you could just put your hand in the
Okay.
bowl of water
That-
and it'll rinse off
Here?
right away.
Put it here.
Okay.
Where do I?
Just put it down.
Okay.
Here, rinse your hands. We'll do the
Yeah.
next one.
Ooh.
Now,
Yeah,
our
it's fine.
second one is going to be our traditional slime, which we have white glue, okay? And we have shaving cream. Now this is we're going to save this. This is our corn flour for later. We have borax, which we're going to start with putting the borax in a little bit of water. Now borax is not safe to eat, so what we need is a little container. We're going to actually take the lid to the borax. We're going to put a little bit of borax powder in the lid just like that. Okay? And we're going to take some clean water with our eyedropper and just put a few drops in there.
What is it gonna do?
It's going to dissolve the borax, and what that's going to do is that's an activator. That's going to make our slime nice and sticky. So now,
Sticky?
yeah, now I just want you to mix it up with the tip of the, okay? Hold that so it doesn't spill. Then let it go. And it's good to let that sit for a couple minutes while we're doing the rest. Now you're going to spray you're going to put your shaving cream into the glue. Alrighty? Next, we are going to add glitter, and we're going to mix it all together. Now, what do you say we add a little pink glitter to this one?
Oh yeah.
Should we use some glitter, or
Yeah.
should we? Okay.
No.
Whoa! Look at that. Should we add food coloring or keep it white?
No.
Okay, let's keep it white.
The sparkles
Uh-huh.
will make it like be pink,
Oh, cool.
but we need a lot of.
More?
Yeah, we need a lot more. So it'll come out pink.
Actually, let's add food coloring to that because we're going to we'll keep the galaxy one. No. Should we keep the galaxy one clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put red. But it's matched from it's matched.
Okay, put a couple drops. That's good. All right, keep going. I'm going to add some more of this. You have to mix it for a long time. And we're going to...
Ooh, it looks like blood.
Whoa.
Oh, I love it. This is so mine. I'm keeping it.
You're keeping it?
Yeah.
A couple more drops of water. With
Yeah.
borax. Ooh, now it's starting to be a goosh. See, you got to keep going until it becomes a big, thick goosh. You got to
Okay.
go hard, okay? Whoa.
Yeah. This is
And
fine.
if it gets too hard, then we can add the hair conditioner to soften it up a little bit. Too much borax will make it hard, so that's why
Yeah.
we don't add it all at once. We keep going.
Yeah.
And
Well, no,
how do I
shaving
get
cream
a-
will keep it like nice. Like it won't be sticky or
No, but
hard.
that's what the...
You can put some more of these.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, geez.
Ooh, tabili.
Oh, I need
No, it's not gonna be
I need
slime.
some.
Oh, too much shaving cream. Here, wait, take from me. I have a lot in my hands. Whoa. So careful. That's our second slime
Wow.
out of 3. Now, how do we get it off of our hands?
Okay, this is mine.
And then you do it till it all becomes one big goosh. Show the camera. Whoa. And now that out. Now see?
Can I?
Now see, it's
can I-
cleaning my hands.
Here.
So our last recipe is called Galaxy Slime, and this is a clear slime base. Do you want to wipe your hands off?
That's fine.
Okay.
Anyway, it will dry.
True. Now, this, we don't need shaving cream. All we have is clear, and then you don't have a lot, but it's just fun to play with and get a
Yeah.
taste. But any clear glue will work. Okay? And for this, we're going to add borax. We did this in camp this summer for space camp. We made space slime. You remember?
Yeah, but it wasn't. It didn't came out good when I did it.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
The little kids did it. They loved it.
but the other time when we made,
It makes it
and
smoother.
and then use that one. Ooh, cute.
It looks like bubble wrap. Feels
More.
like bubble.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, join us next time at the Open Studio. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Oh no.